In today's demo, I'm going to create an AI agent that will act like a junior programmer helping me analyze some data. What I have in front of me is an Excel spreadsheet with 2 worksheets, TripAdvisor hotel bookings along with their ratings. It has about 5,000 rows, but the agent can handle a large number of rows. I'll create the agent, select OpenAI's GPT-4 as the foundation model, and provide trip types in the instructions. I'll upload the spreadsheet as is, without converting it to CSV or to a format an existing program would expect. The agent is now created. Let's have a conversation with it. What are the most popular hotel cities among users? I haven't said anything else about the data. Let's see if the AI can infer anything from it. Agent has given me top 10 cities with Houston at the top with 306 trips. If I want, I can see the Python code Agent has written. But let's not bother about it for now and continue with our questioning as if we are talking to a programmer in our team. Create a box plot to compare the distribution of ratings across different trip types. Beautiful. The agent has created a nice box chart and also provided me a nice explanation about how to read it. I didn't give any other instructions to it about the labels or the scale. It figured out everything on its own from the input Excel file and model instructions. Excellent. Let's get it to create a bar chart to analyze the frequency of each trip type. A big advantage with this agent is it can write as many programs as I want without being fussy or getting tired. Very good. Business travels seem to be the most common trip type. If we want to, we can look at the code, but let's continue with our questions. Create a heatmap map of the hotel states colored by the average rating. We can make it write better programs by saying, use hotel state column for geography. The agent has created the heat map, but what's the dummy column at the bottom? Aha! The heat map was created with a dummy axis to provide a 2-dimensional view. Nice. Let's create a comparison chart between the user time zone and the hotel time zone. It could be interesting to see if there's a pattern in the booking behavior relative to the time zone differences. This looks interesting. I didn't tell our coding intern to create a heat map specifically. I want to import this data into a database. Can you create a SQL for it? Very good. Let's get a bit more ambitious and see if we can import this data into AWS. Excellent. I get detailed instructions on how to do it. These may not be 100% accurate, but at least I have some grounding about this when I talk to my IT team about AWS. Because the AI agent framework is built using GPT-4, it knows a lot more like AWS or other cloud providers. Up until now, this kind of work required me to approach a programmer or a data analyst and give them all the context and wait for them to write a program, execute it, and in general, had a lot of interactions. This used to take days. Overall, I really like this workflow of uploading a file or a report directly without having to worry about the input format or model capabilities and asking the agent to write me programs in real time, let it execute the code, and probing the data and be able to visualize that data. No to and fro from other team members. This workflow removes a lot of friction and also prepares me for having an involved discussions with other teams in the organization.